In this video, we are going to make buttercream ganache, and over here I have 450 gram of anchor butter, which I'm using, and we have like corn syrup, and over here we have a drinking chocolate, which is about 60 gram, and 80 gram of boiling hot water, and after that you add in your about 3 gram of gelatin shake. And in here is about 350 gram of dark couverture. And we are going to start. First of all, we're going to cream this buttercream. We are going to cream this butter, and on slow at first because it's a little bit chunky. The pattern I'm using is a little bit different, and it's fantastic, and it can whip up really fast. And right now I'm in the aircon room, which is 25 degrees Celsius. In Singapore, it is a necessity if you want to do a buttercream recipe. And over here you can see I'm speeding up the speed to medium, and it's really fluffy now. I switched to a little bit higher right now. We do not have fixed timing right here because you may be using a different type of machine, a mixer which is totally different from mine, or you're only using a hand mixer, so you'll need a longer time. But just remember that in Singapore or in any high humidity area, you must use aircon. I just want to show you how fluffy can it be, if you're in the aircon. Right here in Singapore, if you use the aircon, you will find that your buttercream is really very creamy, even at this stage where I have not even added anything. I'm still whipping up on around medium high to make sure it's really fluffy and smooth. Okay, the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to add in this dark couverture. You must remember it mustn't be hot at all. If it's going to be warm, it may also melt the butter, so I'm going to wait for a while before I could continue. Okay, I'm going to start adding the chocolate. It's really creamy and stable. It's a little bit dark, and I'm continuing with the rest of the ganache. Okay, I'm moving to a position which is a backlit area so that you can see what is going on. I'm speeding it up now to make it more blended and fluffy, but not for too long. Okay, you can see now that the ganache is really, like the cream is really fluffy. So in fact, if you want to stop at this stage, to start put it on your cake is fine as well. No sugar added. We are taking in the sweetness of this dark chocolate to create the taste of buttercream ganache. And I'm going to add the rest of the liquid. That's because in Singapore we really need the gelatin to stabilize the mixture, so that when we bring it outdoor at about room temperature 28, it will not melt. And nowadays our room temperature easily is at 30 to 31 due to the season. And with this addition of gelatin cocoa mix, it will have a different flavor as well, and also the texture may change. I'm putting the machine on slow and then slowly add in the liquid, a little at a time until it finishes. And after that, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of corn syrup to blend it, and I shall end the video. Okay, you see here, this is the consistency after adding all the liquid, the cocoa powder liquid with boiling hot water and gelatin. And I'm going to add the corn syrup and blend again and show you. Oh hi, back again to this segment. Okay, this is the consistency of the ganache and it's really good. And later on I shall continue with creaming on a cake from this video, and you can watch what is the consistency like and you may want to try.